Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about how to create a drop-down list. Uh, this is, as you guys can see, I have a table here. It's just a sample table. Pretty much it's a safety table, and this is a checklist actually. Sending it out to different departments to able to checklist what's being required to them. So yeah, you guys can add a drop-down list for them to pick. In this scenario, it could be okay, not okay, or not required. So how can you guys add those in as a drop-down list so they can able to pick it up, to pick from the list? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is create your list. So let's just create a list. It could be like what we just said, okay. It could be not okay, right? And then it could be not required. I'm just gonna put it in short. Okay. And then you can add as many as drop down list you like to have. This is just a sample, but your guys could be something else. So here is my list. I'm gonna name this list so I know. Uh, I don't miss this. Um, Usually I hide this tab so people don't mess with it, and I'll tell you the benefits later on. So let's start here. Once we create our list, you can come, uh, you can select the whole thing or just select one and then make the change and then copy it to all. So I'm just gonna select one and I'll come here. I'm sorry, under that data, go to data validation, the drop down, and then pick data validation. Here click list because that's what we're going to work on, and then on the source I'm coming to the tab I just created and I can just highlight the whole column A. If you want to add more, that way you can add more, or you can just select only what you need. It's totally up to you guys. I usually click the whole column, so if I want to add more, I have more choice to add, so I don't have to come back and edit this section. Then I'll say okay. Okay, now as you guys can see, here is your drop down. We got okay, not okay, and not required. So to apply all this to every cells you have here, just copy. You can just highlight everything and then paste it. And now you can able to see them everywhere. So you can say okay, just saying not okay, or so they can able, let's say if somebody else by a mistake, or some people they just don't want to type okay, just say K, is not gonna let them to do it. It will say retry or use the right information. So this is a benefit of it, because people cannot just type whatever they like. This will help you creating your reports, a dashboard, because you will have all the common answers in here, not everybody else different kind of way. I'll talk about on my next video how to create a dashboard using this table, and pretty much you can report that monthly. On this scenario, this is just the safety data, so you can able to say how many OKs warehouse have, and or not okay or not required, and then you can able to do the reports from there. So I will take that to my next video. uh, Hopefully this helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate for all your comments and support. Thank you.